Hey guys, this is Keegan from Pocket Fidget, and I want to give you an update on the hashtag WHYISPIN contest. This contest is so that you could win 5 $1 coupons. That could be one for you and 4 of your friends, or 5 just for you, I guess. But either way, you need to submit a video to YouTube and use the hashtag WHYISPIN. And then also follow the directions in the description of this video. And you don't have to have a Triune spinner to do it. You don't even have to have a spinner. We just want to see a video of you talking about why you spin or why you'd like to spin. And also make sure you copy the description of this video and post it in the video that you put on YouTube. And also you have to enter by Wednesday, March 22nd. So 3/22/17 is when you need to enter by, and then 3/23 the next day, Thursday, March 23rd, is when we will announce the winner and give away the 5 $1 coupons so that you and hopefully 4 of your friends, or you and yourself and yourself, whatever, can have the Triune spinner. So make sure you check that out, post the videos, and let us know why you spin.